Afternoon, guys. Bob Trade Genius, the 9th of October. And a little early here. Market's not quite closed yet, but it's been an absolutely incredibly boring day. And just two things of interest that that I'm putting my money in is that I'm pretty much all in now natural gas. So I'm expecting a reversal this week. Long-term storage, we're below the 5-year average. We're gonna have another draw because of the hurricane shut production down. The OPEC countries are dwindling supply, and I think the dollar is going to go down too. So all those things are coming together, I think, and we're going into a time where we should get at least a short-term pop here, October to November, and then we'll have a more durable run going into the winter. And we're going into a La Nina year, so it's going to be colder as well. So a lot of things are lining up, and so I'm long natural gas futures here. Been building position here in and out, and then also UNG calls, and then I made recommendations. People are going to be in Boyle, that's fine too, or be in UNG. I'm going pretty leveraged, and so that's where we are right now. I'm looking at here that I don't discount the fact that we can get down and touch this pivot overnight, but we've had 3 straight days of 5-day lows, and so I'm looking for reversal here, going into a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday. Banks are back open again tomorrow too. I first like to see the pivot get held, and then above the point of control here, and then back up to here and get the top of this volatility range. These lines will change overnight. They'll start to flatten a little bit, I think, depending on how they how it gets calculated here. I think we'll start seeing it flattening out here, and then the price tends to move along these pivots and along these volatility lines. The other thing that the bus is loaded on is miners, and the longest term position I manage is with Wheaton, and in fact I'm going to take off just I have 6,000 shares of it, to take 1,000 shares off here. I have a pricing to sell at 20. Hasn't hit it the rest of the day, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and take it off anyway. I'm too heavy on it right now, and I was able to buy that last at 1950. So I'm comfortable with 5,000 shares because I also own First Majestic, which is doing fine. I'm not going to touch that at the moment. If it breaks above the high of today, which I think was 50, was it right? 55, yeah. If it breaks above that, then I'll run with it. But if this starts to weaken at all, I'll jump out. I have a stop at 729 on it right now, and then I have IAG as well, and I'm just trading all these. So I have a stop in at 608. I'm going to move the stop up on it tonight, and but IAG looks like it may run a little bit. So that's kind of where I'm sitting. And then also I recommend it SILJ on Friday again at 12 is at 1236, and I'm looking for it to run back up to over 13 again, get up to these highs again on SILJ. And so I'm not really screwing around with too many other things. That's where I'm at. I have FAS puts for October, and I have 2 weeks to see if anything will happen to those. We shall see. And then the ags. But today was a really boring day. Everything's just kind of flat as a pancake. And then IWM was a little weak because the banks were a little weak, and biotech was a little weak. But who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? The banks are open. It's turnaround Tuesday, so I'm not expecting too much of a sell-off. I'm more interested to see what happens in the energy space. Oil and gasoline have moved higher, but then pushing natural gas down, and we'll see if that that reverses tomorrow. Anyway, Bob from Trade Genius. I'll have more full report tomorrow, but today, suffice it to say, was just absolutely boredom city. See you later. Bye.